Welcome to the Mac video for Earthwork Record System, also known as ERS, Project Gauge Maintenance. This video is the first in a series of videos for project gauges. The video will describe how to add, update, and delete project gauges on an ERS project. You must be in your company roles and have the role of data entry to add, update, or delete project gauges. From the Mac home screen, select the Earthwork Records System menu option, then select the Earthwork Record System submenu option. The ERS project screen appears. Mac defaults to the last ERS project you worked on. If this is not the correct ERS project, enter the financial project number in the Go To field and select it from the returned list. Click on the Gauges tab to expand it. Select the Add Gauge option. An Add Gauge dialog box appears. Select a gauge from the Gauge drop-down list. The list is compiled from the gauges on the Company Profile Gauge tab. In the Start Date field, enter the date the gauge will begin to be used on the project or select it with the Calendar feature. Select the Save option. Continue adding gauges until all the project gauges from your company are added. Data entry users from the QC and VT company or companies must enter all project gauges. Data entry users from the IA company must enter the IA gauges used in the gauge comparisons on the project. To update a gauge, select the Update icon on the row of the gauge. This icon looks like a pencil. An Update dialog box appears. You can update the start date or add an end date. Make changes to the data as needed and select the Save option. There are times when project gauges cannot be deleted from the ERS project. If the Delete option is available and you wish to delete a project gauge, select the Delete icon on the row of the gauge you want to delete. No Delete dialog box will appear. The project gauge will simply be removed from the list when you select the icon. This concludes the Mac video for ERS Project Gauge Maintenance. Thank you for reviewing the training. In the next video, we will see how the PA creates an initial three-way gauge comparison. If you need assistance with Mac, please contact your local district application coordinator. For assistance with ERS, contact the local district materials and research office earthwork specialist.